Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad Upadhyay, HOD, Department of Mathematics, Canara Engineering College, Bantwal. Now I am going to discuss the application of the differential equations, that is ordinary differential equations of the first order, that is 18 Math 11 Calculus and Linear Algebra 4th module. So in that, the first one is orthogonal trajectories. How we can find the orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curves. What is meant by orthogonal trajectories? So the orthogonal trajectories means the two families of curves such that every member of either family cuts each member of the other family at right angles are called orthogonal trajectories of each other. That means there are two families of curves. Now how we can define the families of curves? If there is an arbitrary constant or a parameter, that is that constant, variable constant, as constant, that constant varies, we will get different members of the family. Therefore, for a particular constant, see, we are able to find one member of the family. Similarly, there are two families. Take any member of one family and take any member of another family. If they cut each other at right angles means orthogonally, then the two families are called orthogonal trajectories. Now to find the orthogonal trajectories in Cartesian equation, the family of curves f of x, y, c equal to 0 with the c as parameter means arbitrary constant. C is, as c changes, you will get different members of the family. Now to find the orthogonal trajectories, what to do? Suppose take any member of the orthogonal trajectory of f of xyc equal to 0 that cuts any member of f of xyc equal to 0 orthogonally. That means dy by dx for this curve and dy by dx for the orthogonal trajectory curve, their product is -1. Therefore, that means slope of the tangent m1 into m2 is -1. So orthogonal trajectory dy by dx is equal to minus dx by dy of the given family. Therefore, in the given family dy by dx, if you replace it by minus dx by dy, so you will get the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. Therefore, the method is step 1, find the differential equation of the given family by eliminating this c. How to eliminate this c? First differentiate this equation and using this equation eliminate c. So let it be f of xy dy by dx equal to 0. That means c is eliminated. The function may contains x, y and dy by dx or any fixed constant, not arbitrary constant, fixed constant. So that becomes the differential equation of the given family. Second step is replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy in this equation. So you will get differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So second step, find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories by replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy. That means f of xy dy by dx is replaced by minus dx by dy equal to 0. Now this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, and hence you know how to solve the differential equation. So by solving this equation, we will get orthogonal trajectory. Example, find the orthogonal trajectories of the curve x square minus y square equal to c square. So you already studied this type of equation in second PU. X square by c square minus y square by c square equal to 1 means this is rectangular hyperbola. To find the orthogonal trajectory, first find the differential equation of this family by eliminating this c square. C is a arbitrary constant. As c changes, you will get different members of the family. Differentiating with respect to x, we get x square derivative is 2x minus y square derivative 2y into dy by dx equal to 0, or you can cancel 2 x minus y dy by dx equal to 0. Now there is no arbitrary constant, therefore this is the differential equation of the given family. X square minus y square equal to c square. Its differential equation is x minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore, to find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, minus minus plus dx by dy. Therefore, differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory is x plus y dx by dy equal to 0. Just replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, minus minus plus y dx by dy, or multiply throughout by dy, x dy plus y dx equal to 0. So this is nothing but d of xy equal to 0. d of xy means x dy plus y dx. So d of xy is 0. When you are going to integrate this, integration of d of x, integral of dx is x, integral of dxy is xy, equal to integrating constant. Let it be k, because here c we already taken chosen here. Therefore, on the integration we got xy equal to k. Now this is also rectangular hyperbola with axis is x equal to y. Now take any member of this family, x square minus y square equal to c square. Consider one member, that is hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola. Take one member of xy equal to k. So this is the hyperbola with the axis is x equal to y. So one example, this is one member of this family, hyperbola xy equal to k, and this is one member of x square minus y square equal to c square. They cuts orthogonally at their point of intersection. The angle is pi by 2 here also. Okay, this is one example. Okay, next one. Find the orthogonal trajectories of system of coaxial circles with center on the x-axis. If the center is on the x-axis, the coaxial circle means the radical axis of all the circles in that system is same. Let it be y-axis. If the y-axis is the radical axis, then equation of that system is x square plus y square plus 2x plus c equal to 0. Here c is fixed constant. C determines the coaxial circles, but G determines different members of that coaxial circles. Here G is parameter. C is fixed constant, G is parameter. Therefore, find the differential equation of this family by eliminating G, not C, because C is fixed constant and G is parameter. As G changes, we will get different members of that system, coaxial circles. Now, differentiating with respect to x, we get 2x plus 2y dy by dx plus 2g equal to 0. Our aim is to eliminate G. Therefore, first you find 2gx and hence multiply throughout by x. 2x square plus 2xy dy by dx plus 2gx equal to 0. And hence 2gx is minus 2x square minus 2xy dy by dx. Substitute the value of 2gx in this equation. Therefore, differential equation of the given family is x square plus y square plus 2gx. What is 2gx? Minus 2x square minus 2xy dy by dx. So this is 2gx plus c equal to 0. Now this is the differential equation of the given family. How to find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory? First you simplify this. X square minus 2x square is minus x square. So y square minus x square minus 2gx dy by dx plus c equal to 0. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Therefore, differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory is y square minus x square minus plus 2xy dx by dy plus c. So, y square minus x square plus 2xy dx by dy plus c equal to 0. So, this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. Solve this equation. How we can solve this? One is by linear method. So I am going to discuss one more method, linear method, that you know how we can solve this. One more method is reducible to exact equation form. Now 2xy dx plus y square minus x square plus c into dy equal to 0. So you can rearrange or multiply throughout by dy, y square minus x square plus c into dy equal to 0. M dx plus n dy equal to 0. First check whether this is exact or not. M is 2xy. Integral of m with respect to y means 2x. And n is y square minus x square plus c. Integral of n with respect to x is minus 2x. Therefore, these two are not equal means this equation is not exact. Whether we are able to reduce into exact form. See the difference. 2x minus 2x is 4x, or minus 2x minus 2x is minus 4x. The difference is 4x. If I divide by n, we are not able to eliminate either x or y. But if I divide it by m, we are able to eliminate x. Y remains, x you can eliminate. Therefore, 1 by m into dou n by dou x. See, if it is 1 by m, first term is dou n by dou x. Second term is dou m by dou y. If it is 1 by n, then first term is dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So, remember this, the formula 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. The difference of these two is minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x, divided by m means 2xy. Here x cancels, 2 cancel, minus 2 by y. Now this is function of y only. Therefore, integrating factor is e power integral of g of y dy. Integral of this is with respect to y is minus 2 log y. That is log y power minus 2 or log 1 by y square. E power log 1 by y square is e power log 1 by y square. See, integral of minus 2 by y is minus 2 into log y, or log y power minus 2, that is log y power 1 by log 1 by y square. Y power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by y square. E and log cancels, it is 1 by y square. Integrating factor is 1 by y square means multiply this integrating factor with the given equation, you will get the exact equation. Now 2xy is multiplied by 1 by y square or divided by y square. 2xy by y square is 2x by y. Y square by y square is 1 minus x square by y square plus c by y square. 2x by y dx plus 1 minus x square by y square plus c by y square into dy equal to 0. Now, no doubt this is exact equation, that we know the concept, because this is m. In this exact equation, m is 2x by y, its derivative with respect to y is minus 2x by y square, and derivative of n with respect to x is minus 2x by y square. No doubt it is exact equation, and the solution of the exact equation is integral of m with respect to x by treating y constant plus terms of n not containing x means here 1 plus c by y square. Integrate that with respect to y equal to c, arbitrary constant c. But c is already here, therefore I taken the arbitrary constant is k. Integral of 2x by y dx plus terms of n not containing x means 1 plus c by y square, that is with respect to y, equal to integrating constant, let it be k, because c is here, don't write c here, careful. Integral of x with respect to x is x square by 2, because you are treating here y constant, x square by 2, 2 to cancel, x square by y. Integral of this with respect to x is x square by y. Integral of 1 is y. 1 by y square integration is minus 1 by y, therefore minus c by y equal to k. And assume that k is minus 2f, because it is arbitrary constant, I taken it as minus 2f. So x square by y plus y minus c by y equal to minus 2f, that is k. Multiply throughout by y. X square plus y square minus c equal to minus 2fy. Take minus 2fy left side. X square plus y square plus 2fy minus c equal to 0. Why I taken this k as minus 2f? So it's very easy to remember the formula. Orthogonal trajectory of the family of coaxial circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 is of the form x square plus y square plus 2fy minus c equal to 0. See, in the first family it is plus c, here minus c, and here center is on, see here 2fy means center is on y axis. The first family center is on x axis, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. Suppose there is minus c and here it is plus c, that's all. So it's very easy to remember the formula, that's why I taken this k as minus 2f. Next example, show that the system of confocal conics given by x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda equal to 1 is self orthogonal. Here lambda is parameter, a and b are fixed, lambda is parameter. As lambda changes, you will get different members of this family. Show that it is self orthogonal means take any curve in this family, its orthogonal curves are in the same family. Therefore, orthogonal trajectory of this family is itself. Now, how we can prove the given family is self orthogonal? Just find the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant, that is lambda, here parameter. After eliminating that parameter, you will get differential equation of the given family and then replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Suppose you take it as dy by dx is y1, then y1 is replaced by minus 1 by y1 in the differential equation of this family. So you will get the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. If that differential equation is similar to the differential equation of the given family, that means both differential equations are same, then no doubt, no need to solve that differential equation, because the differential equation of the given family and differential equation of the orthogonal trajectories are same means when you are going to solve that differential equation, we will get the same family. Therefore, the given family becomes self orthogonal. So what to do? First find the differential equation of the given family by eliminating parameter or arbitrary constant. Then replace y1 by minus 1 by y1, and if that equation is similar to the differential equation of the given family, then immediately you can conclude that the given system is self orthogonal. That means when you are solving that equation, you will get the same curve. No need to solve. That's all. The given family is x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda equal to 1. By differentiating with respect to x, 2x by a square plus lambda plus y square derivative with respect to x, 2y into derivative of y, that is y1 by b square plus lambda equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Cancel to x by a square plus lambda equal to, take this right side, minus y1 by b square plus lambda. Careful here, remember this. Now if you multiply both sides by x, so you'll get x square by a square plus lambda equal to minus xy y1 by b square plus lambda. Now substitute that value here. So you'll get one equation, x square by a square plus lambda is minus xy y1 by b square plus lambda. Substitute this in this equation. Therefore, minus xy y1 by b square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda is 1. Rearrange. Minus xy y1 plus y square equal to b square plus lambda. That means multiply throughout by b square plus lambda. Take it as equation 1. Now same logic, apply the same logic, take this y1 here, x by y1 a square plus lambda equal to minus y by b square plus lambda, or multiply both sides by y and take y this side, minus xy by y1 into a square plus lambda is y square by b square plus lambda. That is substituted in this equation. So xy by a square plus lambda, that means you multiply both sides by y and then take y1 here. So x square by a square plus lambda plus y square by b square plus lambda is nothing but minus xy by y1 into a square plus lambda equal to 1. Multiply throughout by a square plus lambda. Therefore, x square minus xy by y1 equal to a square plus lambda. Assume that this is equation 2. Now see here, to eliminate lambda, no other choice. Therefore, just subtract these two, automatically lambda is eliminated. Here I am going to discuss by subtracting 1 from 2. From the second equation, subtract the first equation. X square minus y square minus xy by y1 minus minus plus xy y1 equal to a square minus b square. Lambda cancels. Therefore, the differential equation of the given family is x square minus y square minus xy by y1 minus, so it becomes plus xy y1 equal to a square minus b square. So this is the differential equation of the given family. So remember this. Now the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory is replacing y1 by minus 1 by y1. So replacing y1 by minus 1 by y1. So here y1 is minus 1 by y1 means minus minus cancels, y1 goes to numerator, xy, so plus xy by 1 by y1. y1 is minus 1 by y1, so it becomes plus. This y1 is minus 1 by y1. Now this is differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. Now simplify this. X square minus y square plus xy y1, 1 by y1 in the denominator, therefore this y1 goes to numerator, xy y1 minus xy by y1 equal to a square plus b square. Now this is differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory and this is differential equation of the given family. Compare these two, x square minus y square plus xy y1, here plus xy y1 minus xy by y1 minus xy by y1 equal to a square minus b square. No doubt these two are equal, same. Therefore, no need to solve this equation. The given family is self-orthogonal because its solution is the same thing. Differential equation of the given family and differential equation of its orthogonal trajectory are same. Therefore, given family is self-orthogonal. One more example. Find the orthogonal trajectories of x square by a square plus y square by a square plus lambda equal to 1. With lambda as parameter. Here, as lambda changes, we will get different members of the family. But a square is fixed constant. Lambda is variable constant. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 2x by a square plus 2y y1 by a square plus lambda equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Now first cancel 2 and multiply by y. So xy by a square plus y square y1 by a square plus lambda equal to 0. Cancel 2, multiply by y and divided by y1. So xy by a square y1 plus y square by a square plus lambda equal to 0. Why I did like this? Because to eliminate lambda, no need to find the lambda value. Try to find the value of y square by a square plus lambda in terms of other functions. Therefore, cancel 2 here, multiply it by y and divided by y1. Therefore, x a square by y1 into y, that means xy by a square into y1 plus y square by a square plus lambda divided by, first cancel 2 and divided by y1 and multiplied by y means y square by a square plus lambda. So what is y square by a square plus lambda? That is equal to minus xy by a square y1. Substitute here. So we get the differential equation of the given family is x square by a square minus xy by a square y1 equal to 1, or you can write like this: x square minus xy by y1 equal to a square. X square minus xy xy by y1 equal to a square. How to find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory? Replace minus y1 by minus 1 by y1. Therefore, this y1 is minus 1 by y1 means this become plus and y1 goes to numerator. Xy y1 x square plus xy y1 equal to a square. So this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. By separating the variables, we are able to solve this. Take this x square right side, a square minus x square. Xy y1 is a square minus x square. Xy dy by dx is a square minus x square. Therefore, y dy equal to, so dividing by x means a square by x minus x square by x, that is x dx. By separating the variables, y1 is dy by dx, take this x square right side and divided by x. So y dy equal to a square by x minus x square by x, that is x dx. Now integrate this. Integral of y is y square by 2. Integral of a square by x with respect to x is a square log x minus integral of x is x square by 2 plus integrating constant, let it be c, because here no c, therefore I taken it as c, or multiply throughout by 2. Y square equal to 2a square log x minus x square plus 2c, or y square plus x square, or x square plus y square equal to 2a square log x plus 2c, let it be k. Now this is the required orthogonal trajectory. As k changes, we will get the different members of the family. Here a square is fixed. One more example. Show that the system of confocal and coaxial parabolas y square equal to 4a into x plus a is self orthogonal. And you know about the parabolas. Coaxial means axis is same. Confocal means focus is same. Let it be 0, 0. Origin is focus, but vertex may changes. Vertex is minus a comma 0. So this is the equation of the confocal and coaxial parabolas with vertex at minus a0 and focus at 0, 0. For any parabola, focus is fixed, that is 0, 0. Here a is a parameter. How to find the orthogonal trajectory? If the differential equation of this family is same as the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, then this is self-orthogonal. That means for any curve, for any parabola like this, its orthogonal parabolas are in the same family. Example, how to solve this? Given family of the curve is y square equal to 4a into x plus a. Differentiate first with respect to x. To find the differential equation of the given family, first you differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx, that is 2y y1 equal to 4a. Derivative of a is 0, derivative of x is 1, 4a into 1 is 4a. Therefore, a is nothing but 2y y1 by 4 or y y1 by 2. Now, substitute 4a and a value in this equation to eliminate a. Therefore, differential equation of the given family is y square equal to 4a, that is 2y y1 into x plus a is y y1 by 2. Take this 2y y1 inside. 2y y1 into x or 2xy y1 plus 2 cancels y square y1 square. Y square equal to 2xy y1 plus y square y1 square, cancel 2. So, this is the differential equation of the given family or this parabolas. Now, to find the orthogonal trajectory, replace y1 by minus 1 by y1. Therefore, the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory is y square equal to 2xy into minus 1 by y1. So, minus 2xy by y1 plus y1 is minus 1 by y1, its square, therefore y square by y1 square. Now, multiply throughout by y1 square. Y square into y1 square equal to minus 2xy y1 plus y square. Now, take this left side. So, what is y square? 2xy y1 plus y square y1 square. So, this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. But the differential equation of the given family is also same. Therefore, the given family or the confocal coaxial parabolas with y square equal to 4a into x plus a is self-orthogonal. Next one. To find the orthogonal trajectory of f of r theta c equal to 0 with the c is the arbitrary constant or parameter. The polar form. The given family is in polar form. For different c, you will get different members of the family. The first step is find the differential equation of the given family by eliminating this arbitrary constant c or variable constant c or parameter c. Let it be f of capital F of r theta dr by d theta equal to 0. C is eliminated and that equation contains dr by d theta and r and theta. Next step is replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. That is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So, f of r theta, this dr by d theta is replaced by minus r square d theta by dr equal to 0. Since this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, solve that, so you will get orthogonal trajectory. Solve this differential equation. Some of you may get the doubt why to replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr, because in the Cartesian form we are replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy, but in polar form replace dr by d theta equal to minus r square d theta by dr. So if you have doubt, I am going to explain that why it is so. Now, in polar form, consider the two family of curves. If they are orthogonal, take one member of one family and take another member of another family. They cuts orthogonally means angle of intersection is pi by 2, and we already studied in polar form angle of intersection is pi by 2 means tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is minus 1. So tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is minus 1, and we know that tan phi 1 is r by r1, that is r d theta by dr for the first curve. Tan phi 2 is r d theta by dr for the second curve. So tan phi 1 is minus 1 by tan phi 2. Tan phi 1 is nothing but r d theta by dr for the given family, and equal to minus 1 by r d theta by dr for the orthogonal trajectory. Now, take the reciprocal. 1 by r dr by d theta for the given family is, its reciprocal is minus r d theta by dr for the orthogonal trajectory. Now, dr by d theta for the given family is nothing but minus r square d theta by dr for the orthogonal trajectory. Therefore, replace dr by d theta in the given family by minus r square d theta by dr for the orthogonal trajectory. To get the orthogonal trajectory, replace dr by d theta in the given family by minus r square d theta by dr. Take this r here, minus r square d theta by dr. Followed? So why we are replacing dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr to get the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So this is the concept. Okay. Now the first question is, find the orthogonal trajectories of the curve r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Here a is parameter. For the different a, will get different members of the family, and we know that this is cardioid. To find the differential equation of this family, first differentiate with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta is a sin theta, but this is not the differential equation because a is a parameter. To eliminate a, use this dr by d theta divided by r is sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Just divide dr by d theta by r equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. A cancels. Therefore, what is dr by d theta? Dr by d theta equal to r into sin theta by 1 plus 1 minus cos theta. Dr by d theta by r, that r is taken right side, so r into sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. This is dr by d theta. Here there is no a, and hence this is the differential equation of this family of cardioids. Okay. Now replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr to get differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So dr by d theta is replaced by minus r square d theta by dr. Now cancel one r here. Minus r d theta by dr equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Separate the variables and integrate. Now dr is taken right side, so dr by r equal to minus 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, minus 1 by cos sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, minus minus plus cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So cot theta minus cosecant theta, cot theta minus cosecant theta d theta. Now integrate this equation. After separating the variables, to solve this equation, variable separable form, integral of dr by r is log r. Cot theta integration with respect to theta is log sin theta. Cosecant theta integration is log cosecant theta minus cot theta, or minus log cosecant theta plus cot theta. So minus minus plus. Therefore, it is log r equal to log sin theta minus minus plus log cosecant theta plus cot theta. That is integral of cosecant theta is minus log cosecant theta plus cot theta, or log cosecant theta minus cot theta. Both are same. So minus minus plus log cosecant theta plus cot theta, plus integrating constant is taken as log b. Why? Because all the terms are in terms of log. Therefore, assume that integrating constant is also in terms of log. So let it be log b. And we know that log a plus log b plus log c is log abc. And hence right hand side becomes log b into sin theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now sin theta into cosecant theta is 1 plus sin theta into cot theta is cos theta, because cot theta is cos by sin, cancel sin, so cos theta. Therefore, it is log b into 1 plus cos theta. I will repeat once again. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta, cot means cos by sin theta, 1 plus cos by sin theta, cancel sin theta, so 1 plus cos theta. By taking antilog, r equal to b into 1 plus cos theta. So this is the required orthogonal trajectory of r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now this is also families of cardioid. Now this cardioid and this cardioid, take any members of these two, they cut orthogonally. Second one, find the orthogonal trajectories of r equal to 2a into cos theta plus sin theta. So it is very simple. Differentiate first with respect to theta. Dr by d theta is 2a into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now dr by d theta divided by r is, just divide these two, 2a cancels, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Therefore, dr by d theta is equal to r into cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. This is the differential equation of this family, and replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr to get the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, and cancel one r and separate the variables and integrate. So minus r square d theta by dr is, so this is differential equation of the OT. Cancel r, minus r d theta by dr equal to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Now rearrange, dr by r is minus cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta, and hence dr by r is equal to cos theta plus sin theta, take minus inside, cos theta minus sin theta with minus sin is sin theta minus cos theta d theta. Now how to integrate this? Dr by r integration is log r, no doubt. Assume that this denominator is t. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus sin theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta d theta is dt, dt by t, integration is log t. Therefore, on the integration we got log r equal to log sin theta minus cos theta plus integrating constant is log b, log a plus log b is log ab, therefore b into sin theta minus cos theta log of, taking antilog we will get r equal to b into sin theta minus cos theta. So orthogonal trajectories of r equal to 2a into cos theta plus sin theta is r equal to b into sin theta minus cos theta. Here this arbitrary constant you can take it as 2b also, log of 2b also, no problem. 2 looks same, no? That's why here 2a, 2b, or leave it. So b is arbitrary constant, variable constant. Any member of this family cuts every member of this family orthogonally. Next question. Find the orthogonal trajectory of r power n sin n theta equal to a power n. First differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of r power n is n r power n minus 1 into dr by d theta into second function sin n theta plus first function is r power n, sin n theta derivative is n cos n theta equal to 0. A power n derivative is 0. Now there is no a power n or arbitrary constant a, therefore this is the differential equation of this family. Or you can cancel common term n and also r power n. R power n by r. R power n minus 1 is r power n by r. So 1 by r dr by d theta sin n theta plus cos n theta equal to 0. 1 by r dr by d theta equal to minus cot n theta, because cos n theta is taken right side, it is minus cos n theta divided by sin n theta. I will repeat once again. First you cancel n, cancel r power n also, because r power n minus 1 is r power n by r, cancel r power n. So 1 by r dr by d theta sin n theta plus cos n theta is 0. 1 by r dr by d theta sin n theta is minus cos n theta. Therefore 1 by r dr by d theta is minus cot n theta. Now this is the differential equation of the given family. To find the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr and cancel 1 r. So minus r square d theta by dr, cancel 1 r means minus r d theta by dr equal to minus cot n theta, cancel minus sign. R d theta by dr equal to cot n theta. Take dr right side, dr by r equal to d theta by cot n theta. 1 by cot n theta is tan n theta. Therefore dr by r is tan n theta d theta. Integrate this. Integration of dr by r is, and dr by r integration is log r. Integral of tan n theta d theta is log secant n theta divided by n or minus log cos n theta by n. Therefore I am taking minus sign. Log cos n theta is nothing but minus log secant n theta. So log secant n theta can be written as minus log cos n theta divided by n. Take this left side. Log r plus 1 by n log cos n theta plus integrating constant log b. Multiply throughout by n. N log r is log r power n plus log cos n theta equal to log b power n. Log a plus log b is log ab. Therefore r power n into cos n theta equal to b power n. So that is the required answer. N log r, when you multiply throughout by n, n log r is r power n, log r power n plus log cos n theta, log a plus log b is log ab, that means log r power n cos n theta equal to n log b means log b power n. So take antilog, so b power n. R power n cos n theta is equal to b power n. So this is the orthogonal trajectory of r power n sin n theta equal to a power n. Here a power n is arbitrary constant, that means a is arbitrary constant or parameter, here b is parameter, that's all. One more example. So it looks complicated, but if you know some logic of the integration, you are able to solve this very easily. Find the orthogonal trajectories of r plus k square by r into cos theta equal to a, with a as a parameter. First differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of r with respect to theta is dr by d theta. 1 by r derivative with respect to theta is minus 1 by r square dr by d theta. By taking dr by d theta outside, 1 minus k square by r square into dr by d theta. So that is the derivative of the first function into cos theta, second function, plus first function into derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. Just applying the product rule. Derivative of a is 0. See, first function derivative into cos theta plus first function into derivative of second, that is minus sin theta, equal to 0. Now just rearrange this. And here no a, therefore replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Take minus r square inside, minus minus plus, r square cancels. So it becomes k square minus r square. K square minus r square d theta by dr cos theta minus r plus k square by r sin theta equal to 0. So this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So you got the idea now? dr by d theta is replaced by minus r square d theta by dr. Take minus r square in this bracket. So minus r square plus k square, minus minus plus k square, r square cancel. So k square minus r square d theta by dr cos theta minus r plus k square by r into sin theta equal to 0. Now this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. How to solve this equation? So it's very simple, just separate the variables. K square minus r square into d theta by dr cos theta equal to r plus k square by r sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta into d theta. Cos by sin into d theta. So cot theta d theta equal to r plus k square by r. So it is in the right side. It becomes plus r plus k square by r divided by k square minus r square into dr. So this dr, when you take into right side, it becomes into dr. Now before integration, just plan for this. We know the integration of cot theta, that is log sin theta. How to integrate this? So we don't have any idea. Therefore what to do? First make this denominator such that its derivative must be in the numerator. Therefore numerator and denominator both are divided by r. If you divide both by r by r is 1 plus k square by r square, that is numerator. Denominator is divided by r means minus r, this is k square by r. Take minus outside, then r minus k square by r. Assume that denominator is t. Derivative of r is 1 minus k square by r, derivative is minus plus k square by r square. Therefore, numerator and denominator both are divided by r. Cot theta d theta is equal to minus 1 plus k square by r square. See, I taken here minus sign outside and divide numerator and denominator by r. K square by r with minus sign, minus k square by r square by r is r minus k square by r is in the denominator. And take this right side, left side, minus become plus. So 1 plus k square by r square divided by r minus k square by r dr. Assume that denominator is t. Its derivative is 1 plus k square by r square into dr. Therefore dt by t. Integration is log t, and hence integration of this is log t. T is r minus k square by r. Log r minus k square by r plus log sin theta equal to log b. Log a plus log b is log ab. Therefore r minus k square by r into sin theta equal to b. So this is the required orthogonal trajectory. Here b is the parameter, here a is the parameter. One more example, find the orthogonal trajectories of r equal to 4a into secant theta tan theta. So it's a direct one. Differentiating with respect to theta, we will get dr by d theta is 4a constant, secant theta into derivative of tan theta, that is secant square theta, and hence it is secant cube theta, plus tan theta into secant theta derivative, secant theta tan theta. Therefore secant theta tan square theta. Here if I take secant theta outside, it becomes secant square theta plus tan square theta. dr by d theta divided by r, 4a cancels, secant theta into secant square theta plus tan square theta divided by secant theta into tan theta, cancel secant theta. Therefore dr by d theta is r into secant square theta plus tan square theta divided by tan theta. This is the differential equation of the given family. Replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr and keep the remaining as it is. Now this is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. Cancel one r. Minus r d theta by dr equal to secant square theta plus tan square theta by tan theta. Separate the variables. See, r cancel dr by r. Here minus sign, tan theta by secant square theta plus tan square theta into d theta. Before simplifying this, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Secant square means 1 by cos square. Tan square means sin square by cos square theta. 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Take cos square theta in the numerator. Tan theta sin by cos. Cancel 1 cos. Sin theta cos theta by 1 plus sin square theta. Then you integrate. And take this left side means it become plus. Dr by r integration is log r. Assume that 1 plus sin square theta is t. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is dt. To get dt, sin theta cos theta d theta is dt by 2. Therefore, half dt by t, half log t, and hence integration is log r plus half log t means 1 plus sin square theta equal to integrating constant log b. Multiply throughout by 2. 2 log r is log r square plus log 1 plus sin square theta. Log a plus log b, log r square into 1 plus sin square theta equal to 2 log b, that is log b square, taking antilog. So orthogonal trajectory, required orthogonal trajectory is r square into 1 plus sin square theta equal to b square. So that is the required answer. I hope you got the idea how we can find the orthogonal trajectories in Cartesian form or Cartesian family or polar family. Now, thank you for watching. So in the next video, I am going to discuss the application of in Newton's law of cooling and electrical circuit. Thank you for